How are you everyone? We will learn how to use Mplab XIDE in order to program PIC16F877A. First of all, double-click on Mplab XIDE. Select File, New Project. Now select Microchip Embedded. On right-hand side, select Standalone Project. Click Next. Select Device Family. PIC16F877A is a mid-range 8-bit PIC. Therefore select Mid-range 8-bit MCU. Now type PIC16F877A. Now select Next. Now select Simulator, if you are not using any PIC board or PIC kit. Now select Next. Select XC8 Mplab compiler, then click Next. Now type the project name. Click on Browse for project location. Then select Finish. Right-click on Source Files. Select New, then see Source File. Now type the file name. Click on Browse, select the folder you created. Now select Finish. Please subscribe my channel. On Mplab Tutorial 2 we will learn how to build and compile code. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe for more videos.